friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. What's up? Welcome to the Nashville flea market. Amateur. Equipment failure. Don't worry. He saved me last time on a battery, don't worry. And he had to borrow my pole this time. No funny jokes. I have to have this. This is gonna be a good one. Because you can cut all this out. It's a big selfie.
I'm not diabetic, they're diabetic.
We got the long one because it feels like 6'5", so to get feel in the camera, we have to put that thing through the ceiling.
Yeah, I do that.
We came through the first time, they weren't open. Most of these weren't open. If y'all see anything you want, holler.
Oh. Money, honey.
Thank you. I'm gonna put these to good use.
We wasted all our jokes. I can't remember any right now.
Well, I see, you had walked down there to see what he was even on this.
Harlan and I planned out a lot of jokes of all the stuff we saw. And that's no bull. Have we been on this road?
No.
Anybody? What is that right there? Is that big old thing? Is that that's a Wii U? Doesn't they have other parts to it? Oh yeah.
Does that go with it too?
Mm-hmm. You might have a hard time playing that one. Damn, there's no respect for Steely Dan right there, is it? Steely Dan now holds chips. Harlan's over there making a deal. That Inspire camera, Inspire calculator, he wanted $20 for it, but it boots up and then it goes blank, so no dice.
Yeah.
Super good.
They're the picker, are you not?
Who was that?
You're not.
All right, so what I was saying was, Danny, it was nice to meet you, buddy. Thanks for watching. Hey, another watcher's coming soon. Okay, it's Groove Master, a reseller's Phil. He's on his way up here. So he'll be making a guest appearance on this video, just like Harlan. Hey, Harlan.
Hello.
Harlan is over here looking at, dreaming about what he could catch with that lure right there. But it would catch very well because this lure is under the protection is blessed. It sounds like you should have some kind of Catholic music going home. rabbits, trucks. I mean, you can find anything here. This is a cool place. All right, for all you youngins who watch this, this is what telephones used to look like. When they had cords on them and all that stuff. Yeah, we know. Is it too early to say roll tide? Probably not. We're gonna look over there. That's, y'all keep a lookout for Phil. Blonde, about 6'5". Y'all can't miss him. Hey, last week they tried to sell us a urinal. You think is that some kind of sign I'm supposed to carry my own urinal with me? Phones. I'm resisting phones right now. Good bigger picker. Good bigger picker. All right, the Jack Daniels barrels are really cool. You meet a lot of interesting people at the flea market. He's a little hard-headed. That's that new rockfish. Oh, there's some green Pyrex over there. I hadn't seen that color. We're gonna go look at it. It's probably not Pyrex. That's the answer. That's you always gotta find. Where is that? Those signs are. Oh yeah, I found Phil. What's up, Groove Master?
Hey, what's up?
I'll link his channel up there.
You got the battle of the GoPros going on.
Yeah, here he goes. I'm filming Phil, who as Harlan is over there.
Which one should I put on my trunk? Really?
I'm telling you, that will look good on the front of the van. The Sienna. They really get the hell out of my way then.
You need
Damn
one
it.
for the front, and you need one for the back.
Oh, yeah, that is. I'm not gonna make any comments about this sign. We're just gonna let y'all think about this for a minute.
Hey, is it good more?
That's what I'm talking about. Now all I gotta do is find the tap to put it on. I'm okay with that one. I'm okay with that one. I'm okay with that one. I like the name of that one. Budweiser's alright. That's what I'm talking about. Dos Equis. See, Alex, no discrimination, right? Dos Equis. Johnny, this is your section. Only 175. I believe you told me that was expensive, them dots. But look at the. I know. I see this. There's the primary set, but that's not the right one. The primary's got to have a red in it. Do you have this one, Johnny? Aha. I knew we didn't have that one glass baked, damn it. I got a lot of things weighing on my mind. Okay, Johnny.
I have done matching over the years. I'm buying things here and there and put them together.
Is that one where, Boney? You're gonna have to teach me what you want. I've already found that one for you before. What about that goes with it? Is it $1 or is it 10?
It's hard to tell.
That would be something I consider.
Is that correct? Yes. You call it right.
Yeah, no, I
They'll
don't.
call you out on it.
Yeah, the song
$10 a load. 50% off. They'll get something more.
Do all this work hard. Can someone give me a hand? On guard. Oops. Many jokes at the flea market, it blows my mind. I try to keep no political on the channel. But look what's for sale.
Sounds familiar.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's something you sis with.
That's what I'm talking about. What are y'all trying to stick up your rears?
They're new.
Yo, RG Slot wins. Look at the crap you find at the flea market. When John says it sells granny panties, I wonder if they're that size. Get you some of that, John.
Are you sure? Thank you.
Nobody would believe it unless you get it on video. Oh my.
Do what?
At the end of this video, I will stop horsing around. I did like whatever that snap-on truck is. NASCAR man, 3345. Here's your $5 Johnny Lightning cars. Coaches? One more look there, NASCAR man. Derek? Check out Derek's channel right up there. Alright, in the battle of the Ouija board versus the crucifix, I'd always bet on the crucifix. Harlan's gonna take the power right out of this board. Be healed, my son.
Thank you.
We make no sense at the flea market. Take no offense by us.
Yeah, inside there was some Elvis. I seen Elvis at the flea market once.
If you could teach the Jolly Green Giant how to ride a bicycle, damn, the money you can make. Ho, ho, ho. The Green Giant. It's like copyrighted. They're probably, that's so awful between the two of us that there's no doubt we can't get in trouble for that. Old signs. Old signs. Oh, I guess that's the Jolly Green Giant's drill there.
And his paddle.
And his paddle. He probably uses that as a toothpick. This is this end of it. That's even scarier. Move back to this side. Oh, the rocks are cool. Johnny, this. All right, did you see anything you don't have, John? If you don't have to leave a comment, you can just tell me. These are cool. Looks like an old safe table. We have to go around Harlan. These are cool butcher block tables. These are really nice, and they have nice prices. Can we please get a ride, please?
Just her size. Last weekend.
Sorry about the wind. Forgot the fuzzy mic. What do you call a horse with no legs? It don't make a damn what you call him. He ain't coming anyway. Sad news to report. Earlier there was a stuffed coyote in here, and his mouth was open, his tongue was out. He was the "What's up, coyote?" And y'all don't get to see the "What's up, coyote." Damn it, man! I should have been filming earlier. The star of the flea market, Muppy. How are you? You're the star of the flea market, aren't you?
That's right. That's
Aren't
the star of the show.
You're the star, I know. Okay, you've had your 2 minutes of fame, Muppy. Thank you for gracing us with your 40% off Pez on the top shelf. What's up, George? Friends who headbang together stay together. I want to rock! Alright, I will leave you with this. Funnel cakes, hand-dipped corn dogs, Philly cheesesteak burgers, cheese fries, lemonade, and ribbon chicken. Is there anything else you need in life? You can find it here at the Nashville Flea Market. Sorry about the wind. Sorry about all the bad jokes. Just something different. Hope you found some things you like in here. Tell me if there's things you would have bought. I'll show you when I get home. Okay, we're gone. Stop! We're back at home now. There's the DSi working with Yoshi in it. There's the cameras. I got a 10B, a 10B2 Plus, Hewlett Packard 32S2 RPN Scientific. That is a 14B, and the ta-da! Everything works. So that's the first. Awesome. The only thing missing is this guy here does not have a stylus, so I don't know if I'll sell it without it or just get one, but we're all good. Okay, that's where I just added the things that I bought. The 5 calculators and the Nintendo DSi. I'll show you all of them, what I'm going to make on this little trip. And like, comment, subscribe, share, tickle that, all those buttons. Appreciate you checking all the channels we mentioned here. That's Dave and Muppy. I still see Muppy taking a nap. That's Harlan. Saw Phil. That was it. Peace out and roll tide.